Hey, Dave Knight here, 123daytrade.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. So, I had a little mishap today, but I didn't see it happen. Um, I was down 30 ticks, and two times today, long story short, what I did is I went and got myself another wired mouse. I don't know if can y'all see that? So I got myself another wired mouse, another Logitech mouse. And I talked to Top Step Trader. It looks like they're going to work out something with me here. But it keeps entering to. I don't know if you've watched my trading recently, but sometimes when I hit the right click button or if I try to do something, it'll take like, I'll do this and then it doesn't show up. Or you see me click, 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 and it doesn't show. Now with this new mouse, it seems to be working. And I'm assuming that it's going to stop the two contracts going in. If you watch any of the trading I've been putting in, I never know if the market's going to, even though I've got one up here, let me get the screen draw tool going here. Even though I have one up here, it'll throw in two contracts sometimes. Probably about 30% of the time, I push down like here to put an order in, or I put an order over here, and it'll throw two out. And even when I don't know if you've noticed lately, when I pick let's say I have the stop right here, I'll pick it up and I'll try to move it and it'll just go away. It disappears. And then I have to input the trade back in again. And then I have to pay attention. And I don't know if you've been noticing, I got my mouse up here. Watch some of my back stuff that I've been doing. I got my mouse and my pointer sitting up here on this X, because I know since that got rid of like this stop, I picked it up to move to break even. Let's say I'm short, and okay, it's moved enough in my favor, and I'll pick it up to move to break even, and then I drop it, and it goes away. It's like completely gone. It's like where did the trade that I had go to? So then I have to re-enter in a trade, and sometimes it'll even in that time it'll put in like one or two in there, and then I've got to get rid of it and then put it back in, and finally it'll say one. But then you'll see me with my mouse pointer up here, and the reason I have to do that is that because this opens up another bracket order. So once this gets filled, you'll see it, something come here and something will be way up here. In this case, like 46. This one shows up a minus because it fills you like it's like another long, and then it says down here with the bracket to take it one in at 15 and take the other one out at 46 up here, and it actually puts in the bracket order, even though it's very frustrating. It's been a very frustrating couple of months for me. So what I did is I went and bought myself another mouse, and I talked to Top Step Trader. It looks like they're going to work with me here. I don't know if I'll be starting at 919 or they'll just forgive this day and I'll get to go back to, because at 10 o'clock this morning, I don't know if this trading this morning, I was at minus 3 ticks, and then it threw 2 in, and then I got out, but then it took me down minus 9. And then I got pissed off at the market, and that was me. I caused that problem because the market itself didn't do it. I did it to me. But it was an error because it threw in 2 contracts, even though it should have only thrown in 1. It threw in 2, and it took me down to minus 9. And then the next couple of trades I went in, it was like minus 19, and then I went to minus 30 right after that. But it was all predicated on this inputting 2 trades. And what I should have done, woulda, shoulda, coulda, is walk away from the trading session, flipped over my 10-minute timer, because you're going to make mistakes. It's just the way it is. And then I should have just let that 10 minutes go by and then see how I felt like that. And if my blood was still boiling at that point, grab my 5-minute timer and turn that sucker over and let that run through. And if I'm still pissed off, then grab the 1-minute timer and then You know, that would put me in the 16-minute timeout roughly. I didn't do that today. And I went in, I traded again, I went down minus 30, but then today I didn't even see it when it put the entry in. I went to go short back here, and it was a good entry point. I'll show you where, well, it doesn't matter, but let me get rid of it. So it was a good entry point, but it went up a couple ticks, and I had a 15 tick stop loss because I could afford the 15. It gave me a $50 cushion, and that would cover all the commission costs that I had. But I was sitting, and so it should have been fine. But what I didn't notice is it sent 2 into the market, and I didn't see it. But I've been fighting this now for, well, actually since last year in 2019. I've been watching, and stupid me, I should have replaced this mouse out a long time ago. What I did is I took my computer and had it completely rebuilt, cleaned out, and spent some money on because I thought, okay, it's the computer. Then I've been thinking, oh, is it T4 platform? Well, no one else in the community and the top step traders having the same issue that I'm having. But then I thought, well, why is every time that I press this button that sometimes you'll see me click in here trying to get this open and won't open, or I'll grab the trend line and it'll start like up here and throw it in a completely different place. And I'm thinking, why is it doing all this? And the reason I think it's doing it is my mouse was old. Maybe you have to replace your, even though it's a wired mouse, maybe it got hit with something along the way. You know, my kids use my computer, so maybe something happened along the way that caused something. Who knows why it happened? It just did. I should have replaced it a long time ago. So what did I end up doing? I went to Best Buy. They have curbside only. Couldn't go in there. Then I went over to Walmart. Walmart had crap in there. No good wired mouses. They had some good wireless mouses, but I've got plenty of those. I don't need another wireless mouse. If I wanted a wireless mouse, I've got plenty of them. I know I want a wired mouse to do this trading. That's just the way you should. You should have your keyboard should be wired, and your mouse should be wired, so you don't have any interference with the all the other stuff that's going on. Between your kids using their phones, your wife using her phone, your phone's up and running. There's a lot of things that can interfere as you're inputting something into the market. So therefore, it's best to have it wired in there. So where I'm going with all this, regardless of all this, I think that this issue has been solved. So I'm hoping that I get that they'll work with me here, because I know that in 2019, this is what frustrated me in 2019 too. I got into went to the pro funded account. I was up like $1,000 or whatever, and all of a sudden it threw into, I didn't see it. It knocked me out of the pro funded account. Ended up making $700-800. So I got that money back, but I had to go all the way back to step 2, and then I had to go back in. And in October I got back in again, and then it did it again to me in October in a pro funded account. It threw 2 in, and it knocked me out again. And I just didn't. It was frustrating, so I just walked away from it. And that's another reason I probably went over to decided to quit trading for a while, because I got frustrated with the whole situation. I thought it's got to be T4's issue, but maybe it's the mouse. Maybe honestly, it's just I needed to buy a $26 mouse, throw it onto the computer, and see if that's the issue. And if that is the issue, we resolved it. All right. So here I am, having one of those days that I could have made my money back, but I didn't see it enter in. I'm trying to find the all accounts. I didn't see it enter that last trade in at 2, and it happened twice to me today. Happened once at 10:06, it threw 2 in, and happened again to me today, and it knocked me out. And I ended up going over with commission cost. I went over, and it blocked me. and I didn't even see it. And so, and honestly, I've got just one contract up here. I trade, I don't want to trade more than one in the 30K account. That's all I want. Because I firmly believe that if I can't trade successfully one contract and pass the combine, I don't need to be trading anything outside of that. You can pass Top Step by only trading one contract in the crude oil market or any other market for that instance. You don't need all the other contracts against the risk components right now. With the $500 loss, I mean, it's a good loss amount against one contract. You shouldn't, most days you shouldn't get anywhere near it. But I'm okay with going close to it. But it burned me today when I didn't notice that it threw two contracts in today. Threw two contracts in and I just didn't see it. So it's obviously my fault. I take complete, I mean, you got to take responsibility for your trades. I was frustrated though. I mean, hopefully it is the mouse that everything seems to be working now. I noticed that everything that I'm doing is printing, and hopefully the Camtasia product will be working even better, because I noticed that some of my Camtasia recordings have been deleted too. They just don't work. I push stop and it acts like it's never even it acts like it never even was started up, and it just says, do you want to save this one or do you want to recover it? And I'm thinking, no, no, no. So I've been dealing with a bunch of different stuff in the background right now and still making money in the market, right? So hey, maybe that shows you something right now. If I can make this work outside of all the other things that are going on, maybe when I get the problem where it doesn't throw two contracts in and it just does what I want to do, I can pass a lot quicker. So I'll let you know how they're going to work with me, but they're usually really cool. And I was talking to Nick today, who was, I won't get into names. There's a bunch of Nicks in the world, so we won't talk about that. But I was talking to a bunch of people along the way, and I'm excited. I mean, Top Step Trader has been really good to me over the years. It's a love-hate relationship, obviously. Most of it comes back to me when you're pointing fingers. Remember that there's all these ones pointing back at you, right? You're pointing, but there's three pointing back, plus the thumb a lot of times is pointing back at you too. So even though you're pointing, most of your fingers are pointing back at you. So it always comes back to you and your issues in the end. But I'm hoping, like I said, it was just a mouse issue, and even if they let me stay at 919, and so I'm not supposed to trade tomorrow, wait for them to clear a day out for me, and hopefully they'll let me start back at like Monday never happened, and then I'll pass and go into step two. But once I get away from this stupid thing, sending in two contracts when it's only supposed to be sending in one, that'll be really cool. Make my life a lot easier, and I won't have to keep. If you've watched the trades at all, you'll see a lot of times I'm clearing stuff out because it's throwing too many contracts in. Go back and look at some of my videos that I put out there, and you'll think, why is he doing what he's doing? Well, a lot of the reasons behind that, honestly, is that it's throwing two, or I'm picking up to move the break even, and it gets rid of the trade altogether. And you'll see me, and then I'll lose the profit target too, because I'm picking up, drop, and drag that sucker, and it just goes away. It's like it pretends that it double clicks all the time, and it's like, no, 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 I want it. So then I have to reopen a trade, and it's just, once again, it opens up a bracket order, because that's the way I work it. It has a stop loss sent in and a profit target, and you'll see it thrown in there, and you're thinking, you see me hit XXX up here, trying to make sure that those don't get filled, because it's opening up a brand new order with the bracket to go with it. All right, I'm out of here. Bye now. I'll let you know how it all goes down. Talk to you later.